giving me hugs and kisses. B for brilliant when giving me surprises. C for candid when giving me advice. D for delighted when I'm awarded prizes. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I'm so grateful to have you near. HIJK, LMNOP. You make a blessed family. Grandma, Grandpa, my galaxy. Love being under your canopy. E for elated when I try my best. F for forgiving when I make a mess. G for being generous, spending your time with me. H for hopeful when I'm down and sad. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I'm so grateful to have you near. HIJK, LMNOP. You make a blessed family. Grandma, Grandpa, my galaxy. Love being under your canopy. Grandma, Grandpa, my galaxy.